Hello students, good morning to you all. I welcome you all to the first online session of Next Prime English. Today we are going to study lesson number 1, Stone Soup. Before we begin with the story, open your textbook to page number 1. We have to circle the things that are used to make vegetable soups. Which are the things that we use to make vegetable soup, children? Carrot, right. And circle it in your textbook. Also, mushrooms, onions, pepper, peas, beans, salt and butter are the other things that are used to make vegetable soup. Am I right? Okay. So encircle these things. Now we will read the story. It is a story about 3 travelers who find nothing to eat and come up with an idea to arrange for some food. Let us start then. A long time ago, the farmers in the village had a poor harvest. Harvest means crops. There was very little food to eat. Due to this, no one shared their food with others. One day, 3 travelers came to the village. They were tired and hungry. Tired means in need of rest or sleep. Hungry means feeling or showing the need for food. They knocked at the door. Knock means to repeatedly hit something producing a noise. A man came out and told them loudly that there was no food in the house. Then they knocked at another door. A woman opened the door and said, "I am sorry, there is nothing to eat in the entire village." Entire means whole. Hearing this, the travelers were sad, but they made a plan to arrange for some food. The first traveler pulled out a huge pot from the cart. Huge means large. Cart means a strong open vehicle with 2 or 4 wheels, typically used for carrying loads and pulled by a horse. The second traveler filled the pot with water and lit a fire under it. Lit means provided with light. The third traveler took a stone out of his bag and dropped it in the pot. Dropped means to allow something to fall. By now, most of the villagers had come to watch what the 3 travelers were doing. Watch means see. The travelers stirred the water and took some of it in a spoon to taste. Stir means move a spoon in order to mix something. The first traveler said, "The stone soup tastes good and it would be nice if we had some carrots." Hearing what the first traveler said, a villager went and came back with carrots. He poured those carrots into the pot. Poured means added. Then the second traveler said, "Wonderful, it is tasty, Anna. I once had a stone soup with salt and spices. It was very tasty." Spices means substance used to add a flavor, means a taste to the food. Another villager added some salt and spices to the soup. This went on for some time. One after another, the villagers added potatoes, onions, cabbages, mushrooms, and so on. Everybody enjoyed the soup. They thanked the travelers. So children, did you like the story? Okay, I hope that you all have understood the lesson very well. Read the lesson twice from your next Prime English textbook at your home and stay safe. Thank you.